more popular, and I think I can speak for a lot of people when I can say that we all get by with a little help from our friends, and so that's the title of the song. If you didn't get that,
It all goes to you. It's all for you.
Matt Connor is such a silly boy.
What would you do if I sang out a song?
would you stand up and walk out with me?
Lend me your ears and I'll sing you a song.
And I'll try not to sing out of key.
Oh, I get by.
A little help from my friends.
Yeah, I get by.
A little help from my friends.
Yeah, that's right.
A little help from my friends.
What do I do when my love is away?
Are you sad because you're on the road?
What do I do at the end of the day?
Are you sad because you're on your own? No,
I get high.
a little help from my friends.
Yeah, I get high.
A little help from my friends.
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
A little help from my friends. Could you hear anybody?
Woo! I just need someone to love.
Could it be anybody?
I just want someone to love. Oh, I get high. Yeah, I get high.
A little help from my friends.
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
A little help from my friends.
Sean, do you believe in love at first sight?
Well, I believe that it happens all the time.
What do you see when you turn out the lights?
I'm not certain, but I know it's mine.
Oh, I get by.
Little help from my friends.
Yeah, I'm getting high.
Little help from my friends.
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
Little help from my friends. Do you need anybody?
I just want someone to love.
Could it be anybody?
I just need someone to love. Oh, I get by.
Little help from my friends.